Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken gravy from scratch. We'll cover everything from the basic ingredients to achieving that perfect silky texture. Making homemade gravy is simpler than you might think, and it adds a wonderful touch to any meal. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a batch with just a few common kitchen staples. The secret to a smooth, lump-free gravy starts with a roux. This is a simple mixture of fat and flour, cooked together. Begin by melting about 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter or chicken drippings in a pan. Then, whisk in an equal amount of flour, cooking it for a minute or two until it turns a light golden color. This step is vital for developing flavor and ensuring a silky texture. Once your roux is ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of cold chicken broth, whisking continuously to ensure a smooth consistency. This gradual addition helps prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. You'll notice it gradually thickens to that perfect gravy consistency. Now for the best part, seasoning and serving. Taste your gravy and add salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. You can also enhance the flavor with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or dried thyme. If your gravy is too thick, simply whisk in a tablespoon or 2 of warm broth until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve this delicious, homemade chicken gravy warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.